In this video, we'll show you how your customers can bid on auction lots on your website. First, they must be logged in order to place a bid. They would then click on either the View Event button or on the number of auction lot to see the details of the auction. The bid amount shown is the next available increment that has been allocated when the auction lot was set up. If they would like to bid that amount, they would just press the Place Bid button. If they would like to bid a higher amount, they can enter it or use the arrows to find that amount. If they manually enter an amount that is not possible due to the increments, an error message will appear. Once the bid is placed, a modal window will appear asking them to confirm their bid. If the bid is greater than the current highest amount bid, the bid will be placed and the customer will be emailed confirmation of their bid. And that's it! You now know how your customers can bid on auction lots on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.